Recall that the stomach wall is lined with special cells. Some of those cells are going to be responsible for creating mucus. Those are goblet cells. Some of the cells are going to be responsible for creating the gastric acids. Those are the parietal cells. And some of the cells are responsible for creating pepsinogen, which is actually going to be a precursor to one of our protein enzymes. So those are all kind of considered more of our exocrine function of the stomach, just because they do produce a substance that gets directly put into the food, and then that goes into the bowel, and so it has a duct of sorts that moves that substance along. Now there are a couple cells that are going to speak more to the endocrine function. We have G cells. These are going to produce gastrin. Gastrin, when food interacts with the G cells, gastrin tells these cells to produce their acid. So it talks to the parietal cells and tells the parietal cells to start producing gastric acid. The other specialized cell in the stomach then is the D cell, or the delta cell. That might sound familiar from the pancreas. They both have delta cells. They both do the same thing. They produce somatostatin. So we have D cells. Oh, get that up there. And the D cells, and the D cells are responsible then for making somatostatin. The somatostatin also talks to the parietal cells and tells them to stop making gastric acid. So the D cell and the G cell produce hormones that go through the bloodstream and talk to the other cells about a job that they need to do.